My name is Teacher Mommy, and today we're going to learn how to count all the way up to 10 in Gaelic. Are you ready? Hashin Jeshel. And this goes out to a big hello to Bayview pre-primary and Miss Jessica and Miss Shannon. Hi. So let's go over some words. So one is une. Sounds very French. Une. Ga. Ga. Can you say that? Une, ga, ga. Tree, tree, like a tree. Tree, tree, une, ga, tree. Say that together. Une, ga, tree. Une, ga, tree. Clever. Well done. Ceithir, ceithir. Can you say that? Ceithir, ceithir. Good job. Còig, còig. Can you say that? Còig. Good job. Clever. Sh-ack. Còig. So it goes une, ga, ga, tree, tree, ceithir, ceithir, còig, còig. Are we ready for 5 more? Yeah. Okay. So, còig, sh-ack, sh-ack. You say sh-ack, sh-ack. Sh-ack, sh-ack. You say sh-ack. Almost like a shack in the woods. Sh-ack. Good. Sh-ack. Ochd, like an oak tree. Ochd, ochd, ochd. Naoi, naoi. Can you say naoi? Naoi, naoi. Clever, you're doing great. Naoi. And the last one is Deich, Deich. Almost like Jake from Paw Patrol. Deich. All right, let's say all of them, and then we're going to sing a song. Hashin Jeshel, are you ready? Une. I want you to repeat after me. Are you ready? Hashin Jeshel? Yeah. Une. Ga. Ga. Tree. Tree. Ceithir. Ceithir. Còig. 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 Sh-ack. Keep repeating after me. You ready? Sh-ack. 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 Oak. Oak. Naoi. Naoi. Deich. Deich. Clever, Bayview pre-primary. I'm so proud of you. So let's sing a song. It goes. Une ga trí ceithir còig, sh-ack och Naoi Deich, Deich, Deich. Une ga trí ceithir còig, sh-ack och Naoi Deich. Let's do that slowly. Hashin Jeshel, are you ready? Yeah. Une ga trí ceithir còig, sh-ack och Naoi Deich, Deich, Deich. Let's sing it. Une ga trí ceithir còig, sh-ack och Naoi Deich, Deich, Deich. Une ga trí ceithir còig, sh-ack och Naoi Deich. Clever, na hula dunya. Well done, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Tapa leiv. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tapa leiv. If you can say that. Tapa leiv. Leiv. Great job. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.